Your iPhone shows full signal bars, but websites won't load? Here's the fix. 1. Toggle cellular data. First, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on Cellular or Mobile Service. Turn cellular data off. Wait about 10 seconds. Turn it back on. Now try opening a website or app and see if the internet starts working again. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next fix. 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Your iPhone will reconnect to the network. 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding. Ignore slide to power off. Release when you see the Apple logo. This does not delete your data. It simply reloads the system software and clears temporary glitches. 4. Reset network settings. This resets Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. One of the most effective fixes. 5. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. First, check your data plan. Use a SIM ejector tool. Remove the SIM card. Wait a few seconds. Insert it back into your iPhone. This refreshes the connection between your phone and your carrier network. 6. Update iOS. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. If cellular data still isn't working after trying everything, contact your carrier support or visit an Apple service center. And that's it.